Picture this. You're in your kitchen, the heart of your home, where you whip up delicious meals and create lasting memories. You're trying to make a grocery list, jotting down all the essentials you need for the week. You ask your trusty voice assistant, hoping for a seamless experience. Alexa, add apples to my shopping list. Simple, right? You expect it to be a quick and easy task. But instead of apples, Alexa adds 1,000 applesauce packages. We've all been there. It's a common mishap that can leave you scratching your head. Sometimes these gadgets just don't get us. They can be more of a hassle than a help, leading to moments of frustration. But what we call Alexa, or Siri, is actually a peek into the world of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. These devices are more than just voice assistants. They are gateways to advanced technology. And let me tell you, it's a lot less scary and a lot more helpful than it sounds. With a bit of patience and understanding, these smart devices can truly enhance our daily lives, making tasks easier and more efficient. Now, when you hear AI, you might think of robots taking over the world. Don't worry, we're nowhere near that. Think of AI as a really smart computer program. It's like having a little helper that learns and adapts. Remember how you taught your dog Fido to fetch? AI is kind of like that, but instead of fetching slippers, it learns to do things like recommend your favorite songs on Spotify or show you funny cat videos on YouTube. So how does AI actually learn? It's a fascinating process that involves a lot of intricate steps and a whole lot of data. Well, it's all about data. Data is the fuel that powers the AI engine, enabling it to make sense of the world. Data is like information, like feeding your brain with facts and figures. Just as we learn from reading books and studying, AI learns from the data it processes. The more data you give AI, the smarter it gets. It's like giving it more pieces of a puzzle, helping it see the bigger picture. Think of it like this. If you show a computer 1,000,000 pictures of cats, it'll eventually learn to recognize a cat in any picture. This process is called training the AI. It's like saying, see computer, this is a cat, and this is a cat, and this is also a cat, and you got it? Over time, the computer starts to understand and identify cats on its own. Section 4. Data, the food that makes AI grow. Now, where does all this data come from? Well, it comes from everywhere. Every time you use your phone, browse the internet, or even just ask Alexa about the weather, you're creating data. This data helps AI understand your preferences, like what you like to watch, what music you enjoy, or even what kind of jokes you find funny. It's like having a personal assistant who knows you better than your best friend. Section 5. AI myths busted. No, the robots aren't taking over yet. Today we're diving into some common misconceptions about artificial intelligence and its role in our lives. Let's clear up some myths, shall we? There's a lot of fear and excitement around AI, but not all of it is based on reality. First of all, AI is not going to take over the world. It's not some all-powerful entity plotting to overthrow humanity. At least I hope not. But seriously, AI is far from being capable of such feats. It's a tool, just like a hammer or a smartphone. We design it, we control it, and we decide how it's used. It's all about how we use it. When used responsibly, AI can be a powerful ally in solving complex problems. Second, AI is not here to replace humans. It's here to augment our capabilities and assist us in various tasks. It's here to make our lives easier, more efficient, and even more enjoyable, like helping us find information faster, automating boring tasks, and streamlining our daily routines, and yes, even telling us a joke or two. So let's embrace AI as a helpful companion, not a threat.